Okay, 37 is the piecewise function also, but in this case we have two pieces actual value. Actual value is this function, look like 1b, and cubic function is typical odd function, symmetric with about the origin. So a typical point to do the graph of the actual value is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and so on, 3, 3. And the negative part is negative 1, positive 1, negative 2, 2, and so on. And the cubic function is 0, 0, this is 1, 1, this is the point 2, 8. Okay, and this is negative 1, negative 1. And this would be negative 2, negative 8, but you don't see this part. Okay, so the interval is, the transition point are negative 2 start here. Negative 2 and 0. Okay, so now in negative 2 we navigate negative 2 to 0, we navigate to the actual value function until here. In this point we have empty. In this case we have empty also, no equal here, and we continue for the cubic function, no? Just something like that. Okay, now we talk about the domain of f is all real number except 0, because in 0 we have a hole, and the range, oh no, of course no, hello, the domain is domain of f. We start here in negative 2, bracket negative 2, comma 0, don't touch 0 because we have hole here, union 0, comma infinity because that's continue forever. Okay, good. Range of f is, well, this is positive 2 and this is 0, 0 don't touch, this is 0, comma infinity, yeah. Some values duplicate here, but it doesn't matter. 0 no, and to infinity, and no negative part, of course. Okay, the intercept, x and y intercept, we have no intercept. X intercept and y intercept is obvious that we have no intercept, because this is empty. One more information they want the graph is continuous. No, it's discontinuous. It's discontinuous because we have a hole here. Hole or discontinuous jump is typical discontinuous feature. Okay, 39 is the last in this part. Okay, this integer x multiplied by 2. So is, suppose the value between 0 here is full circle and 1 is empty here. The integer function is 0. Is 0. Therefore, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. And between 1 and 2, the integer function is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So we have false here, this point is 2, and this is empty. Between 2 and 3 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so it's 2, 3, 4 here. full, empty. Between 3 and 4 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 5, 6 here. And between 4 and 5 is 4, multiplied by 2 is 8, 7, 8. And it's continued in the positive part. And the negative part, between -1 and 0, the answer is -1, but multiplied by 2 is -2. Entonces it's like that. And this is full. Between this and this is -2, multiplied by 2 is -4. This is -2, this is -4. Between -2 and 3 is -3 times 2 is -6. And between -3 and -4 is -4, multiplied by 2 is -8. And this is the graph que corresponde with the function 2 times integer of x. Okay, super. Now we start 3.5, the graphic technique and transformation. The first one is 39. 39 is quadratic. It's a family of the square function. I copy the square function. Look, we have three typical points, 0, 0, 1, 1, and -1, 1. And this is the basic square function. Okay, this is the equation. And a -1 represents vertical shift 1 unit down because it's negative. At any point change. This point, so any point basically is subtracting 1 in the second component because the motion is vertical. It's in this direction. So you subtracting 1 in the y component and the second component. So now, this is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 here. This is 1 again, 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is 0 minus 1 is -1. And the first component stays the same, -1, 1, and 0. This is a transformation. Okay, 41 again, transformation. Is x cubed plus 1. X cubed is the function basic x cubed look like that. This is the point 0, 0, this is the point 1, 1, and this is the point -1, -1. It's typical of function and look like that. And when you perform plus 1, occur the vertical shift 1 unit over because it's positive. Because any second component is you adding summation 1, sum 1. So see, this is 1, 1, the transformation would be 1, 2. So this is 0, 1 is 0, 1 because it's 0 plus 1 is 0, 1. And this is -1, -1 is -1 plus 1 is 0. This point corresponding with that, when you transform it, this point corresponding with that, and this point corresponding with that. So basically it's y plus 1. Vertical shift over. Okay, 43. 43 is h of x is equal to square root x minus 1. So this is the basic function is square root x without transformation. And this function have three typical points, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 4, 2. Okay, this kind of transformation is this kind. Okay, you have x minus 2 inside the parentheses. So this is typical horizontal shift 2 units to the right. So to the right means okay, you adding in every point in the first component plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2, 0. And this is 1, 1. When you add in plus 2 is 3, 1. this point is transformed like that, this transformed is like that, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1 is 3, 1, and 4, 2 is 6, 2. And this is transformation.